Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.